late Li登輝, my great friend, he really committed about democracy. Then me personally, when I first reached Taiwan, you see his first way of greeting like that, and then I also respond like that. Since then, we become very close friends. So I admire, his commitment about democracy and freedom and preservation of Chinese culture in Taiwan. So now, as his close friend, I always remember him, and as a Buddhist, I always pray. Firstly, I deeply appreciate his effort. Now he is no longer here, but we Buddhists believe life after life. So most probably, he may reborn in Taiwan. So my prayer, his reincarnation, whether we recognize or not, his rebirth will carry, his spirit continuously. So thank you.